Over 3 years ago, we released our first short video on YouTube about our original success with connecting a 5-axis robot arm to a Fadal CNC. Hi everyone, my name is George and I'm a CNC setup man here at Armset. I want to introduce to you all our CNC production robotic tending system. What's really special about this system is that you can change out job setups with the robot in as little as a half hour, which could be less than your workstation CNC setup, unless you're good. Coming from a CNC setup guy like myself, who's been setting up machines for a couple of years now, I find no difficulty in setting this robot up under different jobs. It's been a clear increase in production and a great cost-effective addition to the shop. And this here is the new real deal. We've got a new and improved 6-axis robot CNC production tending system. By using top-level parts and products, such as Schunk, Fanuc, and Allen Bradley, we've created our own conveying electric and pneumatic system. For prime automation reliability, we've based all of this off our past experiences with the previously shown tending systems. Here is a more detailed look at our new and improved 6-axis system. First, we've got a user-friendly control panel. We've also got a 2-row in, 2-row out, independently functioning conveyor. We've got a part flipper to allow loading for following operations. We've got an electric box with a PLC controller. And last but not least, we've got a pneumatic box with over 8 outputs to potentially provide more functionality with any new addition. With all this new excitement, I'm aware that there's still one question you're all asking. Who's gonna check the part? My answer is that this system is connected to a Haas with a probe option. With this probing option, you can program the probe to check any desired dimension in the end or even in the middle of the cycle. And if some dimension is wrong, then the cycle stops. And if it's not, the green light keeps it going.